Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026 and telling you the top 20 articles that must be read by all state PSC aspirants in India. These articles are strictly selected for all PSC exams covering polity, economy, governance, agriculture, social issues, state relevance and national current affairs. If you are reading the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026, don't waste time reading everything. I'll tell you the highest priority articles for all state PSC exams. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First article was India about to make greatest decision of 21st century, PM. You can read it from page number 12. PSC focus, Women Reservation Act, Constitutional Amendment, Political Representation. Very important polity topic. Next article was Delimitation will not affect southern states, says Goyal. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 13. PSC focus, Delimitation Commission, Representation in Parliament, Census linkage. Important federalism topic. Next article was Telangana CM moots hybrid, GSDP-based delimitation method for increasing seats. You can read it from page number 6. PSC focus, GSDP, Population versus Economy debate, Fiscal federalism. Important governance topic. Next article was State Census offices told to monitor online narratives. You can read it from page number 14. PSC focus, Census, Registrar General, Welfare Planning. Important governance topic. Next article was SC Raps Ek on Sir discrepancies, says voting is a sentimental right. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 9. PSC focus, Election Commission, Electoral Rolls, Voting Rights. Very important polity topic. Next article was SC seeks centre's response to plea on proper MSP for crops. You can read it from page number 14. PSC focus, MSP, Farmer Welfare, Procurement System. Important agriculture topic. Next article was Retail inflation inches up to 3.4% in March. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 12. PSC focus, Inflation, CPI, Price rise. Very important economy topic. Next article was IMD's April forecast projects monsoon to be below normal for first time in 11 years. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 12. PSC focus, IMD, El Niño, Agriculture production. Important geography and agriculture topic. Next article was World Bank chief cautions on jobs crisis even after war ends. You can read it from page number 15. PSC focus, unemployment, skill development, World Bank. Important mains and interview topic. Next article was LIC board approves 1:1 bonus share issue. You can read it from page number 15. PSC focus, LIC, bonus share, public sector institutions. Important finance awareness topic. Next article was US military blockades Iran ports, Tehran threatens ports in region. You can read it from page number 16. PSC focus, crude oil, Strait of Hormuz, global economy. Important international topic. Next article was Russia offers to take in enriched uranium from Iran, says Peskov. You can read it from page number 16. PSC focus, nuclear diplomacy, Russia-Iran relations. Important world affairs topic. Next article was Auburn loses Hungary vote to newcomer Peter Magyar. You can read it from page number 16. PSC focus, Hungary, European politics. Important international current affairs topic. Next article was parched again. You can read it from page number 8. PSC focus, groundwater depletion, urban water crisis, sustainable planning. Very important environment topic. Next article was rise in middle class vulnerability. You can read it from page number 10. PSC focus, poverty versus vulnerability, informal jobs, income inequality. Important social issue topic. Next article was physics has not figured out why matter comes in flavors. You can read it from page number 20. PSC focus, particle physics, standard model. Important science topic. Next article was Artemis 2 draws flood of conspiracy theories. You can read it from page number 20. PSC focus, NASA Artemis, moon missions. Important science current affairs topic. Next article was after a near perfect week at Badminton Asia Championships, Ayush hopes to take the next big step. You can read it from page number 18. PSC focus, Ayush Shetty, badminton. Important sports topic. Next article was Sports Minister felicitates medal winning para archers. You can read it from page number 18. PSC focus, para sports, medal tally. Important sports current affairs topic. Last article was Grady McIlroy hangs in to retain the Masters. You can read it from page number 18. PSC Focus, Rory McIlroy, Masters Golf. Important international sports GK topic. What to skip today? Skip political blame games, long speeches, routine local incidents and non-exam articles. Focus only on governance, economy, agriculture, science, sports and factual current affairs. If you want daily The Hindu State PSC filtering, subscribe now to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Study smart, not hard. Jai Hind.